Hello everyone, I am Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we will discuss about sealing of parenteral products. Container should be sealed in aseptic area immediately adjacent to the filling machine. जैसे ही हम पेरेंटल की फीलिंग करते हैं इमीडिएटली हमें उसकी सीलिंग करनी है इन द एसेप्टिक एरिया. एसेप्टिक एरिया कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए. सीलिंग ऑफ कंटेनर एश्योर्स retaining of content of a sterile product in the container, assures the consumer that the container has not been opened and the product is sterile. If opened, the product is no longer sterile. अगर वो ओपन हो गए तो प्रोडक्ट स्टेराइल नहीं होगा लंबे समय तक के लिए. Sealing of ampule. After filling of ampule, they should be immediately sealed to prevent the contamination of content by melting a portion of the neck of the ampule to form either of the two types of seal, tip or bed seal and pull seal. एम्प्यूल की फीलिंग के एकदम बाद ही हम इमीडिएटली क्या करते हैं, सीलिंग करते हैं टू प्रिवेंट द कंटेमिनेशन ऑफ कंटेंट्स से कोई कंटेमिनेशन ना हो, इसलिए उस चीज़ को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम इमीडिएटली सीलिंग करते हैं. टिप और बेड सील made by melting glass using high temperature gas oxygen flame at the tip of the ampule neck to form a bed that closes and opening. The flame temperature and interval of heating to completely close the opening should be carefully determined. Pull seal made by heating the neck of rotating ampule below the tip, then pulling the tip away to form small twisted capillary just before to being melted closed. Pull sealing is slower than tip sealing, but the seal formed pull sealing are more reliable. Excessive heating of air and glass in the neck of ampule causes expansion against soft glass with the formation of fragile bubbles at the point of seal. Fracture of the neck of the ampule occurs during sealing if wetting had occurred at the time of filling. अगर फिलिंग के टाइम पे वेटिंग हो रही है तो उससे क्या हो सकता है, फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द नेक ऑफ द एम्प्यूल्स. सीलिंग ऑफ वायल्स. Vials opening are sealed with rubber closure held in place by an aluminum sealing. Open containers should be protected from contamination using a blanket of high efficiency particulate air filtered laminar airflow. A hand crimper is used to put the rubber closures and aluminum sealing onto the vials. When closures are to be inserted by the machines, the surface of the closure is usually halogenated or coated with silicone to reduce the friction. This makes it easy for the closure to pass from the rotating drum of the machine at the bottom of the chute where it is positioned over. Sealing of infusion fluids. The cap of infusion bottles or package is lifted using a forceps and a plug type closure is selected and the plug is pushed into the neck carefully without touching the part that goes into the bottle. Plug should be stored in sterile water and washed with filtered solvent prior to use. जो हम प्लग यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको हम स्टेराइल वाटर में स्टोर करके रखना है या फिर वॉश करना है विद फिल्टर सोलवेंट प्रायर टू यूज़ करने से पहले उसको या तो स्टेराइल वाटर में स्टोर करके रखना है एंड वॉश करना है विद फिल्टर्ड सोलवेंट टू प्रिवेंट कंटेमिनेशन फ्रॉम पार्टिकल्स अटैच टू द क्लोजर्स. कंटेमिनेशन को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए. फाइनली अ रिंग टाइप मेटल कैप इज टाइटली स्क्रूड ऑन द बॉटम after inspecting for deformities. So it's all about the sealing of parenteral products. Thank you. Have a nice day.